Today we will talk about rheumatoid arthritis. First of all, arthritis mean joints and itis mean inflammation. And rheumatoid stands for musculoskeletal illness. So overall it's a musculoskeletal illness of joints which causes inflammation. It's chronic inflammatory disorder which mostly affects our joints and other organ system like skin and lungs. Now, what are the etiology and pathogenesis of rheumatoid arthritis? First of all, pathologic hallmark is synovial inflammation, focal bone erosions, and pannus formation. And also here we see thinning of articular cartilage. Now, what is pannus? Pannus is an abnormal layer of fibrovascular tissue which mostly form over cornea and joints in rheumatoid arthritis. So here pannus formation invades the underlying cartilage and bone. Let's talk about clinical manifestation. First of all, early morning joint stiffness which lasts more than 1 hour, and this stiffness is ages with physical activity. Next one is swelling of hand joints. Which joints? Metacarpophalangeal joint, proximal interphalangeal joint, and feet joint. Which feet joint? Metatarsophalangeal joint. And next one is flexor tenosynovitis. What is the meaning of tenosynovitis? Tenosynovitis is the inflammation of tendon sheath which either due to infection or inflammatory condition. Now the ulnar deviation from subluxation of metacarpophalangeal joint, and also here we have symmetric distribution, but remember in rheumatoid arthritis we have no involvement of distal interphalangeal joint. Now the piano key movement of ulnar styloid. Piano key movement of ulnar styloid is also one of the clinical manifestation of rheumatoid arthritis. What is the meaning of piano key sign? When a protruding ulna is found and forearm is demonstrated by depressing the ulnar head and it spring back into a position like a piano, it's called piano key movement or piano key sign. Now how we make our diagnosis? Our diagnosis is based on investigation. Our first investigation is CBC. CBC stands for complete blood count. In complete blood count, we will check normocytic, normochromic anemia. Our second investigation is serum RF. RF stands for rheumatoid factor. Now what is rheumatoid factor? Rheumatoid factor is an autoantibody produced by the immune system. Let's talk about normal antibodies. Normal antibodies attack pathogens like bacteria and viruses, but autoantibodies such as rheumatoid factor, anti-CCP antibodies, these mistakenly attack the body healthy cells and tissues. So by this way, in X-ray we will see periarticular osteopenia. Periarticular osteopenia is the earliest radiographic sign of rheumatoid arthritis. We will see soft tissue swelling, and we will notice also the space between our joint is lost, subcondylar erosions, and we will check in synovial fluid our WBC is between 5,000 to 50,000, but in osteoarthritis WBC is less than 2,000. Here is between 5,000 to 50,000. Let's talk about treatment. Our treatment is based on some drugs. First one is DMARDs. What is DMARDs? DMARDs is disease modifying anti-rheumatic drugs. These are drugs that can slow the progression of rheumatoid arthritis and save the joints and other tissue from permanent damage. Now what are the drugs which we use in DMARDs? First drug is methotrexate. First choice for treatment of early rheumatoid arthritis, we will use methotrexate. Next one is hydroxychloroquine. Hydroxychloroquine is for irreversible retinal damage. But we have two drugs which are safe in pregnancy, which are hydroxychloroquine and sulfasalazine. And we can also use NSAIDs here, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs which can relieve pain and reduce inflammation. Here we can use steroids like corticosteroid medication such as prednisone. Prednisone reduce inflammation and pain and also slow joint damage. And here we can also use glucocorticoid. Glucocorticoid we can only use in acute flares but low to moderate dose. Now, if medication fail to prevent or slow joint damage, then we will move toward the surgery. In first step, we will do synovectomy, tendon repair, joint fusion, total joint replacement. These are the options after medications are failed to prevent or slow joint damage. Now, if a patient has nodular rheumatoid arthritis, splenomegaly, and neutropenia, it's called Felty syndrome. Now, what is Felty syndrome? Felty syndrome is potentially serious disorder, which defined by the presence of these three conditions. First, rheumatoid arthritis, enlarged spleen, and decreased WBC count. It's called Felty syndrome. Most common pulmonary manifestation in rheumatoid arthritis is pleuritis. What is pleuritis? Pleuritis is a thin layer of tissue that separates our lung from chest wall and it becomes inflamed. It's called pleuritis. Most common valvular abnormality in rheumatoid arthritis is mitral regurgitation. If a patient has shortness of breath, and in rheumatoid arthritis is autoimmune disease as we discussed before, and this shortness of breath become progressive and patient has dry cough, then our diagnosis is interstitial lung disease. What is interstitial lung disease? Interstitial lung disease is a restrictive lung disease in which patient has lung fibrosis and scarring of lung and which cause stiffness in the lung and patient feel difficulty in breathing. Summary: first of all, in etiopathogenesis, we see synovial inflammation, focal bone erosions, pannus formation. In clinical manifestation, we see morning joint stiffness is more than 1 hour, swelling of hand joint and feet, no deep involvement, piano key sign. For investigation, we can do CBC, complete blood count, serum RF, anti-CCP antibodies, which are autoantibodies. X-ray, in X-ray, we will see periarticular osteopenia, soft tissue swelling, and we will see WBC between 5,000 to 50,000. And in treatment, we first use DMARDs. In DMARDs, we use methotrexate, hydroxychloroquine, and sulfasalazine, and we can do NSAIDs, steroids, and glucocorticoids. Now, if medication fail to prevent or slow joint damage, then we will move toward the surgery. In others, we have Felty syndrome, pleuritis, mitral regurgitation, and ILD. Thank you so much.